Hello, dentist. Welcome to SalivaCast. I am Dr. Deborah Heller, founder of Saliva Pro and president of the Salivary Research Group of the IADR. Here, I help you make your diagnosis more efficient using the most powerful natural tool we have, saliva. And today's topic may just change how you see your patient's toothbrush. 4 minutes a day. I will repeat. 4 minutes a day that could protect your patient's brains. Have you ever talked to your patients about how their oral health impacts brain health? Have you ever explained that saliva is the body's natural protector and that oral diseases have been linked to the risk of Alzheimer's? For over 15 years now, research has been uncovering a compelling link between periodontal disease, periodontitis, and Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is a progressive neuroinflammatory and neurodegenerative disease. It's marked by the buildup of beta amyloid plaques, which we now know act as antimicrobial peptides, and neurofibrillary tangles made of abnormal phosphorylated tau proteins. Periodontitis, on the other hand, is a chronic inflammatory disease caused by oral dysbiosis, leading to tissue destruction and tooth loss. In order to propose a causal relationship between Alzheimer's and periodontitis, this is very important to understand that 3 criteria must be met. Number 1, association, which has already been shown in multiple studies. Number 2, plausible biological mechanism, plausibility, that explains how oral bacteria could impact the brain. And number 3, therapeutic response, showing that treating periodontitis or targeting its pathogens affects Alzheimer's outcomes. That's where the bacteria Porphyromonas gingivalis, a periodontal pathogen, comes in. P. gingivalis is a keystone pathogen in periodontitis. It shapes the microbial environment and promotes inflammation. It's interesting to understand that it has this ability to escape the oral cavity and colonize distant tissues, including the brain. Studies have found that P. gingivalis DNA was found in brain tissue. Look, saliva and cerebrospinal fluid of Alzheimer's patients. Gingipines, which is a neurotoxic protease, in high concentrations in the hippocampus, a brain area involved in memory. In mice infected orally with PG or P. gingivalis, studies have found bacterial invasion of the brain, chronic neuroinflammation, microglial activation, tau pathology, and loss of neurons. Yes, you are listening to it correctly. An infection that begins in the mouth can lead to neurodegeneration. Let's be clear. Brushing your teeth, remember the 4 minutes, won't cure Alzheimer's, but good oral hygiene may significantly lower the risk. And I think you already understand why. Periodontitis contributes to chronic systemic inflammation, which accelerates brain aging. P. gingivalis, one of the major bacteria associated with periodontal disease, known as a periodontal pathogen, has been consistently found in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. Oral infections may alter neurodegenerative pathways, and people who floss regularly have shown lower risk in observational studies. So what can our patients do? Brush twice a day with a toothpaste that has been individualized for them. So could be fluoride toothpaste, could be remineralizing toothpaste. It's going to be individualized for them. We'll talk about this in a moment. Floss daily, for sure. Visit the dentist regularly, absolutely. Control chronic diseases like diabetes, always. And importantly, the catch. In Portuguese, we say it's the jump of the cat. Get a salivary diagnostic assessment. Saliva is your patient's first line of defense. It neutralizes harmful acids, contains antimicrobial proteins, protects soft tissues, regulates oral microbiota, and is increasingly recognized as a neuroprotective fluid. Research shows that stimulating saliva flow can reduce systemic inflammation and may help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. This is very important. Precision dentistry starts with a saliva test. Every patient is different. Their pH is different, their saliva flow is different, their microbiome composition is different. They are unique. And their oral hygiene must reflect that. At Saliva Pro, we use diagnostics to personalize care, measuring saliva flow, testing pH, and profiling the oral microbiome. The result, a customized hygiene plan with a systemic impact that really works. This means advanced science, improving oral health, and as you saw today, systemic and brain health of our patients. So what does this all mean? No, not every person with gum disease will develop Alzheimer's. But yes, oral health matters for brain health. And you, as a dentist, play a crucial role in prevention. With just 4 minutes a day and the right personalized tools, you can help protect your patient's brain. Make sure to share this episode with your colleagues. Let's bring this science into everyday dental clinic. Also, remember to follow me here on Spotify, SalivaCast, my YouTube channel, Dr. Deborah Heller on YouTube, my Instagram channel, Dr. Deborah Heller on Instagram. And always remember, a healthy body starts with a healthy mouth, and it all begins with saliva. See you next time.